Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am doing a room tour that nobody asked for, but I just decided since I have completed my room, I would show it to you. So I really have no theme going on. I just took some of the ideas I had going in my old room and brought them back in and added some new ideas. I never showed my old room in a tour or anything, but this is my new room. You'll see some new additions that I've added, like this back wall that wasn't in my other videos, but I'm so happy. I'm so happy with it right now, and yeah, I'm really enjoying it, and I think it's super cute, and decor and interior design is something that I love a lot. It makes me so happy to like arrange and rearrange, and I love it. I love it so much. I definitely get it from my dad. He loves interior design and making things look good, and so do I. So without further ado, here is my room. Alright, so we start outside, and here's the door, and when you walk in, here is a little overview. Alright, so to start, I have this fluffy rug that I got from Ross, and it is literally so nice and fluffy, and I'm a little worried because it's white, but it really it just ties in the room so well. It's a little bit small in here, but I love the rug. It's like one of my favorite pieces of the room. So over here next to the door, I have this rack that I got from Hobby Lobby. It was on clearance for like $1 and I decided to hang it up and add like some earrings, because usually my earrings just like get left out, and I either keep them in these or they just like get lost. So I decided to hang them on this rack, which was perfect because they're perfectly like hookable. And I have a pair of glasses that I don't ever wear anymore, and a bunch of hoop earrings and these cute earrings. And then I have this cute picture that I have hung on the wall, and I had it in my last room. One, I don't know where else to put it without it like getting crumbled, and it's cute. So yeah, this was the cast of the last fall show that I was in here, and yeah, super cute. And I just hang my keys right here over it. And then on the other side, we have a Vera Bradley backpack that my sister bought me, and I also don't want it to get like squished or anything because she got it for me as a gift, so I have it hung up on my wall. So next we turn this way and we have my bed. So as you can see, I have this lovely wall thing I've made. I don't know, I think I saw an idea for like kind of like a canopy in this area. I was like trying some ideas out that just weren't working, so I just like created this. Like, I don't know, I just made this. And then here's my bed. So my bedding is from the lovely Ross. And I have a bunch of pillows. I love pillows so much. Yeah, I love pillows and blankets a lot. So I have a bunch of blankets on my bed, super soft, comfy. And yep, I have a little more leafy decor on the top. I love plants and flowers, so there's like a common theme in my room. So we'll get to the closet in a sec, but when we turn here, we have my, I was gonna say living area, but like not living area, but I don't know, just a sitting area, I guess. So I have this great, what's this called, bench, and I got it a while ago. It was in my home, and I just brought it here, and I love it a lot, and I just have decorated it with some pillows. And for this wall, I decided to take what was on this wall in my last room, move it here, and add some, you know, a little more pizzazz to it. And as you can see all along the room, I have some fairy lights, and I will show you what that looks like with the lights off because it's super cute and it feels so homey. But yeah, I have the seating area, and then I have this good, cute mirror, also from Ross. I love it a lot, and she's really good for showing your outfits. Yes. And then on this side, I have a basket, this cute basket of blankets, and I have my backpack for the year, and over here I have candles, a bunch of like smelly good things, and then my watch. And before I get to the closet, I want to show this little area that I've created. And yeah, I just went to Hobby Lobby and got these frames, these wood frames, and I like that they're all different shades of wood. And I have this greenery running around along the top of the wall, which I was gonna do lights, but all my lights in my last room burnt out, and I figured that I didn't really care that much to have the lights go all the way around this year. So I thought of something new, and I really like it. And I just have my TV here and laptop on top, my cup, remote for the TV, a little snack area, and then some more like food items and things of that nature under the TV stand. And then I have this chair, which was the chair that came with the room, and I just put like, what's this called, a blanket over it, and yeah. So again, here's like a cute little overview. Yes, fun. And now we get to my closet. Okay, so I made my closet into a kitchenette. And so here it is. You walk in, I have my mini fridge, a microwave, and then my closet space is on this side. So when I was doing my closet, I figured that I wanted to have less clothes because I had so much last year that I really didn't even wear. So I wanted to utilize the space and do something different. So I decided to do like a little kitchen. And here I have bowls and cups, and then a candle. No, I don't leave this on like for real, like it's just cute for right now. So I have this candle on. And then I have this box of vegan chocolate chip cookies from Whole Foods that I got a little bit ago. And then I have my my rice cooker, my Keurig, and like I said, my fridge and my microwave. Yay! And then at the top here, I have some cute purses, boxes, cleaning stuff, suitcase, blender, miscellaneous items. And then, like I said, clothes here. And then I have clothes in those two bucket things, storage bins, that's what I meant. And then under my bed, I didn't even show this, but under the bed are some more like storage drawers. Yeah. And this apartment, like, I do live in student housing here at my school. So this, like, all the furniture and everything came with the apartment. Like, I didn't buy the furniture or anything. The only thing I bought was like the decor and everything, obviously. Like, that makes sense. But yeah, and like my fridge and all that other stuff I brought. But yeah, so that's my closet area and my room. And over here is my bathroom, which is literally just plain simple, plain simple bathroom, which I have yet to like make cute. Cheese. So yeah, this is my room. Okay guys, so that's gonna be my room tour for my 2019-2020 school year. Ew, that was weird. Yeah, I'm in college, and like I mentioned before, this is student housing. I don't live in a dorm or anything. It's like an apartment for students, because we've had some non-students living here, but that's besides the point. So yeah, this is my room tour. I love like green and just like random, honestly, like there's just a bunch of random things going on and I really like it. I think it works. If you have any ideas of what you think I can add, or what's like kind of weird, or what your favorite part of the room is, let me know. But yeah, that's going to be my room tour, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next videos, and comment down below what you'd like for me to do, what you'd like to see from me. And if not, I'll just be posting random videos like I have been. Cheese. But yes, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.